In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a shortcut to view file information in Google Drive. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow or simply curious about what's inside a particular file, this efficient method will help you access detailed file information swiftly. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you can follow along easily. First things first, let's get you into your Google Drive account. If you're not already logged in, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Drive homepage. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with the familiar interface displaying your files and folders. You'll see options like My Drive, Shared with Me, and so on. Spend a moment to familiarize yourself if you're new to this layout, as it will help you locate your files more quickly. Now that you're comfortably in Google Drive, the next step is to identify which file you want to view more information about. It could be anything: a document you've been working on, a spreadsheet shared by a colleague, or perhaps a presentation you're preparing for an upcoming meeting. Find the file in the list or search for it using the search bar at the top. Once you've located your file, you'll want to select it. Simply click on the file to highlight it. Now here comes the key part: using keyboard shortcuts to reveal more details. This is where the magic happens. While holding down the Alt key on your keyboard, press the V key and then the D key. So it's Alt, V and D in quick succession. You should see a panel slide out from the right hand side of your screen, displaying the file details. This details pane provides you with insightful information about the file, such as the last modified date, file size, owner details, and so forth. This shortcut is particularly useful for saving time and maintaining focus. Rather than sifting through menus or right-clicking to find file details, this streamlined method puts the information you need at your fingertips much quicker. It might take a couple of tries to get the hang of it, but once you do, you'll find it incredibly valuable. And there you have it. You've just learned how to quickly and efficiently view file information in Google Drive using a simple shortcut. It's a small but powerful addition to your productivity toolkit, especially if you spend a lot of time managing files in Google Drive. Feel free to try it out on different files to get a sense of how this tip enhances your workflow. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find this method as helpful as I do. If you have any questions or need additional guidance, feel free to drop a comment below. Happy organizing!